Hi, hello, my name is Diego. Today I'm going to tell about my life experience and my future goals. I will explain important moments in my life and what I have learned from them. Childhood and sport. Since I was a child, I have loved sport, my brother, and I practice soccer, gymnastics, and weightlifting. These activities have helped me develop discipline and responsibility. Importance of sport have been very important in my life. They have done the constant and strong people practice sport, they will improve their health and homework. Uh, Reflection now understand that the school have made a better decision was learn from my mistakes, had much better decision, I will have better results. Learn from work. I understand that effort is very important if it's work hard. I can achieve my goals. This experience have made me stronger and more responsibilities. Um, Personal progress. Later I graduate and start working. I also worked as a taxi driver in the afternoons. At that moment, I realized that I must continue studying. Mm, Education, I decided to study business administration. Education is very important for my future. I continue studying, I will have more opportunities. Mm, Meaning of achievements. These achievements are very important to me. They show that I can accomplish my goals. I study focus, I will continue succeeding. My family has always been very important to me. They very have support me in difficult moments. We share special times together. Mm, Current life, current routine. I'm studying software programming at Sena. This is sometimes I have always wanted. I also working and improving my financial situation. Um, Final reflection, my life has not been easy, but I have learned many lessons. Every experience has helped me grow. I keep working hard. I will have a better future. Thank you. Very good.